Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to your phone. All right, let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, tap on Chats, then select Chat Backup. Now, choose your Google account that holds the WhatsApp backup. If no account is linked, tap Add Account and sign in with the one used for your backup. Once the account is selected, close WhatsApp and launch it on the target device. Make sure no number is linked with it currently. Then try logging in the same account, and you'll be prompted with a restore screen. Tap Restore, and WhatsApp will begin downloading your messages and media from Google Drive. Wait for the process to complete. Depending on your internet speed and backup size, it may take a few minutes. Once done, tap Next, and all your chats will appear as they were at the time of the backup. Make sure you're using the same phone number and Google account used when creating the backup. So that's basically how you can download WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to your phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.